Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to some fun little content. Today has been such a ridiculous day. It's been so good. I woke up, got to work late, which by late I mean like 3 a.m. in the morning, because there's any other kind of a.m. And I got off work early, which is great. By early I mean like 3 p.m. Today was fantastic. Went to work, everyone was in a great mood. It's Friday, it's a beautiful 70 almost-ish day. Overcast sky, just the way I like it, because I'm a nerd and I don't like the sunlight because it hurts. But on greater news today, something big came in. Something real big came in. Something I've been looking forward to for several years. Something big came in today that I'm very excited for. Kind of is the first step into the next chapter of my motorcycle experience. I finally got my first tracksuit. As I have been replacing different sets of gear as I wear out a pair of gloves, which I used to always just wear like the little shorty MX kind of style gloves, I was replacing them. I replaced them with a set of gauntlet gloves. These ones. Dainese somethings. I really like them. But that's kind of been my intention over the last couple of years, is to be able to go to track days. Track days require a certified helmet, gauntlets, boots, and a tracksuit. Whether it's a 1 or 2 piece depends on the location. But finally got one. I got a Dainese Laguna Seca 4 in the tall size because my arms darn near drag on the ground when I'm walking because I've got weird tall arms, long arms. So that's what this is. It's a size 98, which fits me perfectly. It's a little tight. I couldn't get a t-shirt underneath this suit if I tried. So I got the Dainese Decor dry suit to go under it, which has some form of like equalizing technology on it. Which supposedly, and to me this seems like black magic, but supposedly from like a 40-degree day to an 80-degree day, it should keep my temperature, my body temperature, feeling the same. Currently, again, right now, it's 70, it's not quite 70, it's like 68. And it's great. I got a nice little breeze going through my chest. Other than that, it's not cold, it's not warm, it's perfect, it's nice. That being said, it's pretty perfect weather. We're gonna do a mild sound test here, combining the front camera's microphone with the 360 camera, which is in a different location. It's normally right here. Right now, it's on the back of my helmet. I saw a video on Instagram of a guy putting it on the back of his helmet, and the footage it captured was amazing. Really cool footage. Let's do a little sound test here. Hope that audio came out nice. It's the last time I want to do that for a while. Not surprisingly, the suit handled all of that wind perfectly, way better than my single jacket did before. I had I shouldn't disparage this jacket, it's an awesome jacket. I had a Climb Marauder, I think it was. Oh, it's an older jacket. Just had a whole bunch of D3L as a textile jacket. Great jacket, but in a full tuck at high speeds, the tail of the jacket would buffet all over the place. And you're basically getting spanked the whole time until you slow down a little bit, and it was mildly uncomfortable. That being said, it's just a textile deck with a whole bunch of D3L, clearly not allowed at a racetrack by itself, or period, because it didn't have a zipper. But I'm so happy. Finally got a tracksuit. This thing fits like a glove. Knees are right where they should be. The kneecaps, the protection are right where they should be. The sliders are right where they should be. Same with the elbows. The sliders are right where they should be, and it articulates exactly where my elbows are. I can't believe how good this thing fits. How great the wind protection, wind protection is. Wind is just flowing right around me right now. I don't feel hampered at all. Looks like it's not a police officer. That's a little too grody of a car for that. But yeah, the wind is just flowing right around me. I barely feel it. It's really kind of incredible. My bike is very low on fuel. I should probably get that fixed. Say hello to hello. But oh, the other thing is I was asked by one of my Instagram followers, which if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go over there. I think you'll like what you see. Sabrius 2.0. YouTube is just Sabrius. I had one of my Instagram followers ask me why I haven't uploaded a video, and as much of an excuse as this is, because it is an excuse, because I should have been prepared for this, but I didn't know. I originally had a microphone. First location sucked. Second location was perfect. It was absolutely amazing. Really crisp, clear audio to the mic. And as the days went on, for some reason, I still don't know why, it went from like unbelievably nice audio to utter complete garbage audio, unrepairable. Couldn't fix it no matter what you did. It was just bad. I don't know what happened. It was the same location, nothing moved. Didn't open any vents, any of that kind of stuff. So I had to move it to a different location. The location it's sort of currently in right now. But I recorded, after I moved it to the new location, I recorded like 3 days worth of video. And all 3 days of those, the microphone wasn't working. It was abysmal. Oh, it was real disappointing, but life goes on. So I kind of had to scrap those 3 videos. I'll keep clips of those videos around because some of the visuals are really interesting. So we'll figure out something to do with them. It's not just going to be a waste. Make some good out of something. So anyways, I contacted that company's customer support, and they were more than happy to send me out a replacement microphone. Thank you very much to them. And on top of that, I decided to get a second microphone from a different company because is there really no 93, 90, anything? There's no premium at any of these gas? Okay. Anyways, I got another microphone, mostly for a backup, which is currently the microphone I'm using right now, which will stay there until that one breaks. But on the bright side, I have a backup mic now, just in case something happens to it. So that's what happens. That's why I have really sloughed off on videos, because I will not go to Walmart for a microphone. I just will not. But either way, that should be the end of the video. I rambled on long enough. I really hope you all make the best out of your weekend, make the best out of the rest of the apocalypse. Please try to find some good in your life. Find something to focus on during this madness to keep you in high spirits. Thank you once again for watching Red Slugbug No Backs. If you could, please subscribe to this channel, like a couple of my videos, help me out, and I would greatly appreciate it. Once again, have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Bye.